So here we are, guys. We made it to Casablanca randomly last night. You know what the mad one with this mosque is? It's right on the ocean front. Pretty powerful energy here.
So after 24 hours parked there in Casablanca, I drove directly to Agadir.
I've come back to this garage here in Itmalu. It's not looking good, to be honest. He's talking about replacing the whole gearbox.
We took a trip to the local scrapyard to see if there's any gearbox parts we could find.
Ever wondered where all the cars and parts from Europe go? I've literally just seen like 4 number plates. They're all UK plates.
The guys confirmed that the gearbox once again had problems and that it wasn't the linkage.
Back in Tamarat, it's getting busy though here. A lot of cars and people, things changing.
My friend Ayoub, who I'd met on my previous trip over, is now renting boards in Banana Beach and the Tamarat area. Get in touch for more info.
So I'm back in Aourir. This is the spot, Garage Dorf, where I first came when I first came to Morocco. I was living in this garage, working on my first camper van, my Volkswagen T4 that I had. I always seem to be drawn back to this place, Aourir. There's something about it. All the years that years ago that I first found this place, and kind of a lot of friends that I've made here along the way.
Hey, all the dogs together again. They love it, man. They always jump up at me, man. They're such little characters.
معلم ياك ايش فيك؟ حسن. This Christmas morning I just had breakfast for 14 dirham. I think it's some sort of record. Yeah! So we are here in Dorf once again. I'm starting on my own today. Some of the guys are busy. So here we are, day 1. Let's get at it. Raining, but we are still at it. Brahim's hooked me up with a parasol, so taking it all back to this green. This has been treated yesterday with Osama from some for the rust, but hopefully today I'm going to carry on removing all the paint. I'm literally trying to sand and it's just pouring rain all the way down the van. Absolutely soaking wet. Impossible to work. So I have another bit of helper today, my brother from another mother. Come on, how's it going? That's all you need to know. That's all you need to know. So after 2 really positive days there, working on the van, we had a bit of a disaster yesterday morning. Maya was attacked by the 4 dogs there in the garage. And so yesterday was basically all about trying to get a vet and get her operated on and get her put back together. She was up all night crying. Is what it is, you know. I was a bit too overly trusting there of the dogs in the garage. I thought they'd be fine with her. Obviously not. So yeah, we're going to luckily I'm going to leave her with a friend today for a few hours at least to get the guys set up. Starting to expose some of this rust. I've already found this hole here. Ayoub's now also found this one.
Agujero. Agujero كويرو. دبان. واضحة.
هيكون
طب علم ياك. علم
بويا عمر
شوية rust, huh?
شوية بزاف شوية.
That is.
هذا كيف الكيبات بعد الزمن فقط.
Wow, you can still see the yellow. This is the moment, brother.
Trop choix.
Ah.
Oui.
شوية, non?
Trop choix. Oui, c'est bien, c'est bon. C'est bien.
C'est bon.
Ouais, c'est bon.
C'est bon. Flintstone, non? Flintstone. Flintstone. I've just found concrete. Holding this together. Just getting going for the day. I'm still waiting on the guys to do the welding. We uncovered these holes yesterday. We took away the fiberglass that had been used previously. Momo mal. Alhamdulillah. Ay. Emik. Agujero. So we're on day 6 now. There's a huge storm coming, so the main thing for me today is to get a tarp and cover the windows, because all the windows are out at the moment. Shiri, معلم لسان معلم دي ميكانيك نو الحمد لله زين زين ولد لحظتك. Couple of hours this evening just buttoning down the hatches and trying to cover the windows from the incoming rain, but to be fair, straight away the rain just started pouring in, and I put buckets there and I was thinking, this ain't gonna work, I ain't gonna sit here all night emptying buckets. And luckily I had a tarp, and I was like, I've just got to go out in the rain and set this tarp up. So I took the aerial off the roof and I've just got this tarp, tied it onto a couple of different chairs either side outside, and hopefully the tarp is going to keep me dry tonight, because I've covered the whole roof basically, or front area of the cabin with this tarp. Thank goodness that I have had the tarp. Heavy 24 hours with the rain, but I've managed to do some progress today. We've got Momo with me today doing some soldering, so the floor is slowly coming together. البيت المعلم ايه
هلا ديال البيض
10 البيت
10 البيض 10.
So the sun's out after quite a heavy storm last night. I feel like it's Sunday as well. It's a good moment to kind of call it a day on this video. Big thank you for watching. It's been amazing. Really had a lot of fun, and it's also been super difficult with everything that's happened. But of course, we're going to crack on. So stay tuned for part 2. But thanks for watching this one, and we're gonna keep moving. Much love and ciao for now.